Creating job templates will improve your workflow, standardize your processes, and save time with using reusable templates. In Client Hub, we can make that even easier because we have some existing templates already set up under your Client Hub templates. To access your job templates, go to Templates in the left panel, the fourth icon down, and then you will find your Client Hub templates. From here, you can review the various templates that we've set up. Let's start off with the general bookkeeping template. Once you find the template you like, use the ellipsis to add to firm templates. And now you can make this template your own. We'll remove the general just to keep things uniform. And now below, you can go ahead and make your changes as necessary. Best practice would be to keep these as general as possible, and you can customize them as you apply them to your client workspaces. You also have the option of making job templates manually. So this is start from scratch and use the magic template. You'll simply put in whatever you happen to be working on. Ask AI to go ahead and generate that job. Now again, you can take and change your title at this point and make your changes below, adding tasks, client tasks, and groups as you need to. You may also apply your tags here. This is a payroll. More on tags can be found in our knowledge base.